In this video, we'll be showing you how to navigate the calendar, which you can find on LCC's website. From the home page, click on the calendar link up top, and this will take you to the campus calendars. What we want to show you is how to navigate this calendar, as if you scroll down, it can be a little overwhelming to see quite a few things happening every single day. So how do you filter this out to find the things that you're looking for? To start with, on the right, you'll find these sub-calendars. You can check or uncheck the different events that you may not be interested in viewing. The other thing is you are viewing right now the list view. It is a complete list of every event happening at the LCC campus. You can choose to view this list by the summary. You can also view this calendar by month. When clicking on this calendar view, for example, if you find an event you might be interested in, I'm going to use my own event as an example, the college application day. I just hover the mouse over the event and it will pop up the details of that event. You can then click on this link to add this event to your own calendar. Also from this campus calendars page, you will find the academic calendar on the left. This has done the filtering for you to only show you important dates that are academically related. So for example, and again, I still have it on the month view. You could look at it from the list view. Let's just go back to the month view. This will show you for the month of January 2019. Here are the deadlines that are coming up for academic purposes. So for example, today is January 10th. Today, if you were wanting to add a class, you would need to have instructor permission in order to register for a class. Tomorrow, January 11th, is the last day for 100% tuition refund if you were to drop a class. Now that is a little bit different if you are using financial aid, so definitely check with the cashier on that. So you can use this by month to see what deadlines are coming up. The other great thing about this for the academic calendar piece is that you can plan ahead. When will I be able to register for spring quarter? Take a look. You know, I'm not seeing anything in February. A little bit here at the end of February, so March 1st, it looks like priority registration opens for veteran students beginning on this day. So that means registration's getting close. Let's take a look at the month of March. Looks like March 4th, priority registration appointments begin. This means that current students have priority to register for classes. If you hover over, you can get more details here. In order to register for classes, you do need to meet with your faculty advisor. It's important regarding priority registration that you meet with your advisor prior to this date. If you wait until the week of priority registration, your faculty advisor may not be available and you might have to register for classes late. So it is important to meet with them before then so that you can get that quarterly PIN, the number you need to register for your classes. It'll also show you when finals happen, those final exams for your classes, when there is no class, and then when spring begins as well. So you can do some planning ahead using this tool. The other thing, if you like more of that list view for an academic calendar, on the right, you'll see this link here for the 2-year academic calendar. If you click on it, you can begin planning way in advance in terms of the first day of the quarter, last day of the quarter, holidays that happen throughout each of those quarters. This gives you a great snapshot for those types of events that you might need to plan for.